Hello everyone, this is Miss ROFL and here is my new video. Today I'm gonna talk about an experiment I recently made with my channel. For the first time I decided to try to use YouTube promotions for my channel. So as you can see, my channel is not doing so great and that's why this video is here today. So take a look at my analytics just for a couple of seconds. You see it's pretty sad what is going on here. I get almost no views. I don't know what's the problem, or my content sucks, or YouTube is not suggesting my videos to a good audience. Anyway, the sad reality is that I'm earning little to no views. Look, last 60 minutes, like 1 view. Oh my god, it's terrible. So the point of all this is that my channel isn't growing. At the moment, I'm sitting at 732 subscribers with 382 videos. Yes, I know it's terrible. I know. So despite all efforts I'm putting into my channel, I'm streaming, I'm making short videos, I'm making long form videos, but all this is not enough and I'm struggling. I have almost no growth at all. We can take a look also at detailed analytics here. At my overview, here is my amount of views. Here we can go to detailed analytics. Anyway, those are my numbers. Whenever I post a new video, sometimes it gets some traction and gets some views, but most of the time it flops really like 2-3 days after the release, which is not satisfying for me at all. At the moment, anyway, my main problem is monetization. At the moment, I'm monetized on the first level of monetization, which is unlocked at 500 subscribers and 3000 hours of watch time. Next level of monetization will be available at 4000 hours of watch time, and I'm currently sitting at 3747 hours. So public watch hours, it's something I'm earning kind of without problems while I'm streaming, so that helps me to earn my hours. The problem is these subscribers. I'm earning them way too slow. Today I decided to give it a try, to give it a shot, and to try promotions by YouTube. We go here to content promotions tab. I decided to start with a small budget and to see how effective will it be for me. I've never tried it. I saw some controversial infos about all these promotions. Some people say that it hurts the channel like a lot, and some people said like never again, I'm never doing it again. Some people say that it helped them. So I decided to make like my own judgment about it to see if it works or not. Today it's March 20, and a couple of hours ago I created a promotion. For the moment it's pending, and let's take a look at details. I picked a video. So for the moment, it's 0 everywhere. See, all promotions go through a quick policy check. This usually takes 1 business day. So go engagement. It's what I set just in the beginning when I was creating the promotion. And as for me, the most important for the moment, it's earning new subscriptions. That's what I selected. I selected engagement. This goal can help you get more engagement with your channel, such as boosting your subscriptions and returning viewers. You can edit promotion headline and description. Well, it's optional. I shortened my video title a little bit, and in promotion description I kept just Miss ROFL, which was set there by default. So next, show to viewers in these countries. Yes, about countries. By default, YouTube proposed me few countries, which were, if I remember right, United States, United Kingdom, France, and Japan, if I remember right. Those were original picks by YouTube. The problem is, at first I kind of like, why Japan? Why would they add Japan? Why would they add France, knowing that my videos, my channel is mostly in English, and yes, my channel is based in France. And I live in France, but still it's not like explaining why would they recommend me France as a target country, and even like less I was expecting to see Japan here. But just let me explain to you. So we go to analytics tab and we check the audience, and we go to top geographies and we click here. Anyway, no even point to click, everything is here. Look, top geographies for my channel in the last 28 days. United States, France, United Kingdom, Japan, and Canada. So YouTube picked top 4 countries from my analytics top geographies. I decided to keep all the initial picks selected by YouTube. Plus, I added some other countries, which I think might work for me. One more setting they asked me to pick, it's the language. So, show to viewers who speak these languages. I kept just English, as my channel is in English. Then, how much you are spending, this is the most important. I just decided to put into my very first promotion just 5 euros. It's just a test. I want to see what can I get for my money. What can I get exactly for this amount of money for 5 euros? I had to pick not just the total budget, but also I had to pick the end date of my promotion, which could be not sooner than March 23. And that's what I picked. And yeah, you see, look, this promotion started on March 20, 2024. You've spent 0 euros. 5 euros remaining on this promotion so far. You want to pay more than the total budget of your promotion. We will wait. We'll wait for it to work. I'm back to share some news with you. So it's March 21, so just the next day after I started my promotion campaign. And unfortunately, it got disapproved. And I knew it from email. I received it today from Google Ads. They don't say exactly what is wrong. I'm truly surprised. I'm shocked. As they said here, violent language. Yeah, violent language, profane language, and all this. Guys, don't get me wrong, but come on now. Like, yeah, I'm slurring from time to time, I admit it. But yeah, sorry for not being a princess who farts roses and dreaming about a pony or I don't know what. This promotion violates policy and can't run. To continue fix the policy issues, I will just change the video. And I picked this video. Cat sneezed on my face on stream. No, it's literally a video of my cat sneezing on my face, guys. No tricks, it's true. We keep everything as before. So look, now I will pick the new end date. As we are 1 day late, I will just save it. Let's keep our fingers crossed that this time it will work. Well, good luck. Good luck, my ad. Okay, well, forget what I just said. Your headline or description doesn't comply with Google Ads policies. To continue, fix the policy issues. Like what? Well, maybe we can see details. Okay, I see. Punctuation and symbols. Alright. So this is the problem. So emoji is the problem. Okay. Well, this is not so bad. Okay, we can fix it. So cat sneezed on my face on stream. Well, now for the second time, please make it work. Oh, alright. So I'm back. And this time promotion got accepted super fast. Like a couple of hours later, it was already reviewed and accepted and promotion has started. The problem is that for 43 cents, they already spent 43 cents of my budget. I got only 1,002 promotion impressions and only 6 promotion views, which is not great at all. And I wonder if it's a problem of the video I picked, if it's because it's short or it's another thing. So I decided I will change my video for something else. I tried to find something which is not violent. Here is just a flashlight, so no murders, nothing. So maybe this will work. But let's try. I will save it once again, and now they will review it again. So I'm back. It's March 22. One more day is over, and now I'm ready to show you first results of the YouTube promotion. Before I share numbers with you, I want to mention that I slightly modified my thumbnail yesterday, and now it has my face on it. Well, I think it was not so bad idea after all. I'm ready to show you the first results, and I'm actually super surprised, believe it or not. So for the moment, YouTube has spent like half of my budget, 251, and I put 5 euros in it. I got 16,298 promotion impressions, which is, yeah, for sure, for huge YouTubers it's not much, but again, for me, it's a lot. Promotion views 243. Well, compared to promotion impressions, number of promotion views is not that great. Yeah, okay, I understand, but well, the most important is that promotion subscribers 26. But the problem is that, guys, I don't know how it's been recorded, counted, or whatever, but here it states 26 subscribers, but in fact, since yesterday, I gained 50 subscribers. Yesterday I was at 732 in the beginning of the day. Then I lost 1 subscriber, so it dropped to 731. And now I'm currently sitting on 782, which is insane. I got 50 subscribers in one day, and for me it's huge. Usually I earn about 1 subscriber per day, and it's if I'm lucky, if I'm not losing one, because sometimes I gain 1, I lose 1, or even more. So I'm super glad. So we will see how it will be tomorrow. So I'll keep you posted. It's new day. It's March 23, and look, my promotion is still active. I haven't spent all of my budget yet. It's at 378, and results are really great. Look, so promotion impressions are now at 32,217, then promotion views 508, and promotion subscribers 55. But that's, guys, that's not all. 55, it's like official. I did not track it by YouTube, but in fact, since yesterday, since I've checked my previous results, I earned 68 subscribers. I'm at 850 subscribers right now. And just saying that when I started the promotion, I was at 732. Can you imagine? It's insane. For me, it's an awesome result, and I can't wait for tomorrow to see the final result, because I guess tomorrow I will spend the remaining money. And I'm back with the results, and here is the last day of the promotion. It's March 24 today. The end date was set to March 24, as you can see. My promotion has used 5 euros and 8 cents of the cost, and my total budget was 5 euros. So I guess that's it. So promotion stays active for the moment, just because we are on March 24. So I guess tomorrow it will be officially over. So now I'm ready to announce the final results. Yesterday evening I was at 855 subscribers. Today I woke up and saw the new number, and it's 909 subscribers. Can you believe it? 909. So the last push, the last day of the promotion, brought me exactly 54 subscribers. So since the first day of promotion, I got at least 50 and at most 68 subscribers per promotion day. All the time my video was pushed in the morning between like 9-10 a.m. European time. So all 3 days it was the same. And now final results. Promotion impressions 46,936. Which is great for me. Of course, it's not so impressive for bigger channels, but for me, that's a lot. Promotion views 753 and 74 subscribers. 74 subscribers. When I started this promotion, when I launched this promotion, I was sitting at 732 subscribers. Now I'm at 909, so I got a total of 177 subs. Almost 200 subscribers for 5 years in few days. To me, it's insane, and it's really a success. I'm really happy that I tried it. I'm really happy, and I don't regret at all. The most important thing, I was worrying about this one. How will this affect my monetization, my future monetization? Because YouTube states that subscribers and views and watch time, so everything what you will earn while you are using promotion, won't be counted towards your monetization. Some people say that subscribers gained while promoting your videos, that they count, but some people say they don't. For the moment, I can say that they definitely count, because look, we are at Earn tab in YouTube Studio. Here, eligibility. Well, may take up to a week to update. Well, this is mostly concerning watch hours, because watch hours usually they take time to update, at least 2-3 days for me. But subscribers usually they are updated right away. So as you can see here, I have exactly the same number, 909 subscribers. So it seems for the moment all subscribers I've gained during the promotion, they will be counted towards my monetization. But well, nothing is sure yet. I'm not yet monetized. For the moment, I don't even know if all these subscribers will stay or not, because I've heard stories like people got massive subscribers, but then YouTube removed a lot of them. So I'm not sure if this is true or not. So I will see. And yeah, 909. So in case YouTube will actually remove subscribers earned by promotion, I will have 74 subscribers less. But well, this we will see. It's not sure yet. Maybe it's just rumors, maybe not. We will see. For the moment, guys, it's time to end my video. So what can I say? For me, this 5 years investment into the promotion of my channel, it's totally worth it. I'm not sure if it will work like this for everyone. Maybe you will have better results, maybe you will have worse results. It depends. I will probably do it again. But, well, I would like to see if these subscribers will stay on a long-term basis or not. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video will help you to decide what you want to do with your channel, and maybe you will also take this risk and test YouTube promotion for your channel as well. Goodbye and see you in my next videos. Thanks for watching.